Hey there, parents and students. Are you on the lookout for a school that offers a unique and almost private school experience? Well, look no further than El Rancho Charter School here in Anaheim Hills. With a student-teacher ratio of 27:1, this tuition-free public charter school provides frequent teacher feedback, data-driven instruction, intensified tutoring, and increased instructional time, all while maintaining high expectations. And let's be real, who doesn't love high expectations? El Rancho Charter School offers innovative programs such as tutorial, where students can visit any classroom that will best serve them in their education on Tuesdays and Thursdays. They also have El Rancho Math Academy for students who need additional math assistance after school, and homework club for students who need extra help with their subjects. But what really sets El Rancho apart is their unique elective choices and highly certified academic program called AVID, which prepares students for college and success in a global economy. And let's face it, we all want our kids to be successful in this crazy world. So whether you're looking to get ahead in math or just want a school that values your child's education and future, El Rancho Charter School might just be the perfect choice for you.